Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're bringing you something different. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to freshen it up just a little bit, bring you something different other than what we're used to bringing you. It's kind of like a refresh. Let's try this, right? Now this is coming out of Mr. Time. So if you don't know what Mr. Time is, go ahead, download it in the Gear Manager store, and you'll have to download it from the Google Play Store as well. Now, the name of this watch face is called Falling Block. It's an animated watch face. Very nice looking. I like it, right? Now, once you go into Mr. Time, all you got to do is scroll down once you get to that page, all the way till you see this watch face, and you'll see the name Falling Blocks. It's that easy. It's right on the front page, the feature page of this application. Go ahead, check it out. Let's check out watch face number two. Now I'm thinking you guys might like this. It's a lot of Google fans out there. This one here is going to fit the bill. If you're into Google, I'm liking it. I thought it was colorful. I thought it was very nice, very simple. It's an analog watch face. This doesn't look bad at all. Like I said, I'm trying to give you all a refresh, something different from what we normally used to getting. Watch faces that's cluttered with all your step activities. Listen, you gotta take a break at some point. Okay, how do you find this one? You're still gonna go to the feature page. You're gonna scroll all the way down till you see the letter Q all the way to the side. Once you see that, you're gonna tap on Color to Style. You'll see it. It's the second one from the left. And then once you go in, scroll down just a little bit, and voila, here's the watch face. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number three. Okay, you all, last but not least, coffee time. Now this one is nice. Again, something fresh, something different, something new for your Gear S3, right? Now, you're gonna find this up under the name Joe Millie Ma, if I pronounce that right. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tap on the name, right? You're gonna see a crown right next to it. Tap on the name, and it's gonna take you right to it, right? You find the watch, scroll down till you see it. It's gonna say coffee time, and you're good to go. Now this one here is going to actually give you your date. It still has the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and then you got some coffee beans hiding out over by the number 9. I thought this was a good look. I thought it was some new flavor, and I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out, and most of all, you got to comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of these watch faces by Mr. Time compared to what I'm normally used to bringing you from the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. The weekend is here. Listen, it is time to party like it's 1999. All right, you all, whatever you do, enjoy, be safe, have fun, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.